Well, hello everyone, it's me, Handy Danny, and today I am in the shower. I want to show you something here. This is my secondary shower, and this guy right here, man, is the worst. Let me show you. Okay, so you see the shower's not even really hitting the step there. Even when I kick it up, you know, the pressure is just kind of weak, and you can see where the water is streaming in different paths, and it's just not that good, man. It's just, you know, it's leaking from the back there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I absolutely hate this shower head. It's just the worst. I want to take you over. You can see this shower right here. This shower head is one I just got from a road home and garden show. And a lot of times you're walking through there and you're like, these guys are trying to swindle me. These guys are trying to take advantage of me. And this stuff is not necessarily going to work as advertised. Let me show you this. On the shower there. And I mean, I was having all kind of issues with the fact that my shower would not get hot for up to like 20 minutes or so. I'm gonna put a link below and you can see all the details, but right underneath here is a, inside this big pocket right here is a calcium. And the calcium is to help the shower make the water soft, is to help the hardness of the water. I would always have to clean the shower, but man, let me tell you, it's like, wow. I'm just so impressed with this shower head here. It's like $100. I'm gonna put a link below, and works really, really well. And I just absolutely love this shower head, you know, and you know how it is. If there's something good for you, something good to you, you gotta let the world know. And I'm letting y'all know, you know, you might wanna get involved with this shower head. And you can see all the details below in regards to the actual, let me see here. And you can see the calcium inside here, and you can get different types as far as a, basically a lavender, different types of shower heads, you know. It's really good though.